morning and welcome to our channel Explore with My Eyes. So it's a new episode, new journey, and we again hit the road. So it's a road trip again, a long road trip. We are going to Utah, and there actually it's not very planned journey. It's not very planned trip, but we will explore that area. Maybe Arizona, maybe on Nevada. So stay tuned, stay with us, and it should be exciting. Follow our channel. I know like you guys are watching my video, but you're not following our channel, so show us some love and follow our channel. And yeah, so we started at like 5 o'clock morning. Today it should be around like 10 hours trip, like 10 hours drive. We're actually been there in New Mexico Santa Fe, and they're actually our first stop. I mean, tonight we will stay there. And the road is nice. We are enjoying it. The morning, it's very clean sky today, so it's a bright day, and it's a Friday, and we are enjoying. So stay with us, and follow our channel. Give us a thumbs up, please, please, please. Don't forget to follow our channel. Stay tuned, guys. This will be super exciting for you guys and for us too. Hello friends, so we just give it a stop for breakfast, and we are having our breakfast. It's been 8:44, so I have drove around like 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, around 4 hours, 3 hours 45 minutes, but it was good, really good. Starting is good in our trip. So I'm having roti and dal. This is my breakfast, and its taste is homemade, and we are avoiding the outside food, so I think it's a better option. So খুব এনজয় করছি, খুব ভালো লাগছে। জাস্ট স্টার্টিং টুডে, এটা অনেকটা বড় ট্রিপ, তো আশা করি খুব ভালো হবে। তোমরা সাথে থাকো এবং লেটস ওয়াচ দিস ভিডিও। হোপ ইউ গাইজ উইল এনজয়। It's around like 10:55, and we are crossing Amarillo. We are on the midway. Still like 4 hours left. I think we crossed more than mid, so 4 hours left. So far so good. Really cloudy, which is good because like it was really hot outside there. So we'll get some relief from there. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see next. Whatever we will see, I'll show you, and whatever we will experience, I'll just try to share with you. So stay tuned, guys. গন্ধ পাওয়া যাচ্ছে। পাহাড়টা এসছে, পাহাড়টা খুবই সুন্দর এসছে। লেফট সাইড এবং রাইট সাইড দুদিকেই পাহাড়, ছোট পাহাড় কিন্তু বেশ আর্টিস্টিক। ইউএসের একটা জিনিস, রাস্তা খুবই সুন্দর, খুবই মেনটেইন, কোথাও কোনো প্রবলেম নেই, জাস্ট ড্রাইভ অ্যান্ড ড্রাইভ। লাভসের ওখান থেকে নিতে হতো। afternoon. So we are about to reach. I mean, like it's still like 53 minutes. We need to drive. Road is clean. We are driving around like 85 around. Like I just take a turn, so it's 85, 87. The limit is 75. We will reach at 2:11, and then we'll go to one of the Santa Fe like place to visit. So খুব ভালো যাচ্ছে, দেখা যাক কি হয়। আরও আশা করি যে নেক্সট আমরা যে সান্টা ফি প্লাজাতে যাচ্ছি ওটা আরও সুন্দর হবে। তোমার কি মনে হয়? Look at this road. This road looks so nice. It's basically a residential area. I can see a lot of houses, which is like different. The shape is different. The architecture is different here, but it looks good. It's isolated house mostly, but the structure looks really good. Hey guys, we just get inside our room. This is by Hyatt. It's at the third floor. I'll give you a short room trip. So this is the coffee station. You can see the coffee mug, a nice picture, and they have given complimentary coffees. You can see it here. Tea, also a locker, and there's a refrigerator, small one. Mirror, you can see. And this is the place you can sit, table, short chair, lights. The decoration looks good. This is the TV. You can see glasses. Here is the wash basin, which looks good. You don't have to go inside, so this looks good to me. You can keep your things here. Iron. This is the bed, double queen bed. You can see there is one. This is the another one, complimentary. I took apple from there, and then this is the view from the room. I can see. You can see mountains. Yeah, that's it. I think that's all. Hello friends, good afternoon. So it's 5 o'clock afternoon today. We drove around like 12 hours with the stoppage we have given, then refueling everything. So right now we are going Santa Fe Plaza, which is like from our hotel. We checked in our Hyatt. You have seen that hotel, I think, and this Santa Fe Plaza is around like 27 minutes, 23 minutes from here, from our hotel. That's like an old shopping, not a complex shopping area, but actually it actually what I did, it started on 1610, so it's around like 400 years ago. So let's go, let's explore the area. I hope I will enjoy this area, and then we'll come back to hotel again, and then tomorrow another trip. So stay tuned guys, stay with us and give us a thumbs up. Look at this, dinosaurs. This way. cars. Okay. Shopping area. এখানে তো পার্কিং নেই, সামনে আছে। আমি কি করবো প্রিয়া? এদিকে দেখবো,
রাইটে দেখো।
loading zone. It's a problem. Hey guys, we're not getting the parking spot. It's like a big problem now. It's full. Everywhere it's full just now. So we are roaming around and see like if we can park somewhere. Hey guys, we are at Santa Fe Plaza. You can see it's a shopping center, I can say, and with the local shop. Yeah, you can see all dresses, then shirts.
Did you need how much? That one's 15.
Okay.
This one's 15, 30, and 35. So they're different prices.
এই ড্রেসটা সুন্দর, সাদাটা। এগুলো কি সেগুলো সিমেন্ট টাইপ, ইয়া? কোন দিকে যাবে?
চলো ওদিক চলো। ওই
চলো। Church? This church is nice and old. You can see. So we are walking at Santa Fe Plaza Street. This looks so nice, so old style, and yeah. এটা গেঞ্জি তো কেনা উচিত।
Weird.
Look at these guys. See, these all buildings you're seeing, these are all cement, so it's not like typical American houses. But it looks nice, right? This is so nice. I think there are many ranches around there and they have their own shops. They are selling it out. And it looks so nice, right? It's all local. একজন লিখেছে যে it's good for window shopping.